What is wave? A wave is an energy disturbance that travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another. The medium can be anything like water, air, or even a solid material. There are two main types of waves, transverse and longitudinal. Transverse waves. A transverse wave is a wave that vibrates perpendicular to the direction of the wave's motion. The up and down motion of the rope or string creates a transverse wave. Light is also an example of a transverse wave. The electric and magnetic fields vibrate perpendicular to the direction of the wave. A longitudinal wave, on the other hand, vibrates parallel to the direction of the wave's motion. When you speak, your vocal cords create sound waves that travel through the air as longitudinal waves. Another example of a longitudinal wave is a compression wave, like the ones you see in a slinky. Properties of waves. Waves have several properties, such as amplitude, frequency, and wavelength. Amplitude. The amplitude of a wave is the maximum displacement of the medium from its equilibrium position. In other words, it's the height of the wave. The larger the amplitude, the greater the energy of the wave. Frequency. Frequency is the number of complete waves that pass a given point per second. It's measured in hertz. The higher the frequency, the more waves pass a given point in a given amount of time, and the higher the pitch of the sound or the color of the light. Wavelength. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive points on a wave that are in phase with each other. It's usually measured in meters. The longer the wavelength, the lower the frequency. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching.